What is it about Chainsaw Man, the manga, Chainsaw Man, the anime, that you think is resonating so much with people and, making it such a hyped hit?
I think it kind of breaks the traditional genre in the way, a lot of people are used to a lot of the tropes to just kind of do their thing, and it shows up and just breaks every single one of them and uses them to flip your expectations. It's such a masterclass in like understanding how to take story and twist it and manipulate it in really unique and beautiful ways.